Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can filter comments on TikTok. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open up TikTok on your phone. Then click on Profile option on the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and go to Profile and you can see the three lines on the top right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on it and go to Settings and Privacy. The next thing you want to do is tap on Privacy. You can see comments in the interaction section. Go ahead and tap on comments and you can see the filter all comments option. So your recent comments on your video will be hidden unless you approve them. So it is limited to 5 changes only. So you can just go ahead and filter all comments and you can see the settings and settings will be updated. So just go ahead and restart the app over here. So after you do this, you can easily see that your filtered comments will be enabled. So all you need to do is go to your profile, click on the three lines on the top, go to Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy and go to Comments. You can see Filter All Comments option. You can just go ahead and turn this on. So after you do this, all of these features over here will be enabled or disabled as well. So you can filter this unwanted comments, you can filter specific words which is over here, and you can review the filtered comments from here as well. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.